Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell notification. All right, today we have hot dog chili, which starts with us cooking up 1 pound of ground beef that we season with salt and pepper. All right, as you can see here, I have my little slow cooker thing ready to go. Got the 1 pound of ground beef in there. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Then we're going to kind of struggle a little bit, but get a half a cup of ketchup. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now we're going to add the rest of the spices, which consists of a tablespoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, just a dash of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. And then we want to just give everything a stir around, and then you want to cook this on high for 1 hour, then reduce it to low and cook for at least 2 hours, and then at some point cook your hot dogs. And don't forget to toast up your buns. All right, serve these up. We have our lovely toasted buns, and then add a dog to each one of them, followed by our chili mix. And then, of course, some cheddar cheese. And that's pretty much it. You can add some diced onions if you like. But that's hot dog chili. Done.